Hey everyone, welcome back to Foxtecc. If you're using Apple Music on your iPad and want to create your own playlist, the process is pretty straightforward. Whether you have an Apple Music subscription or just want to organize songs you've purchased, you can easily build a playlist to fit your mood or style. To start, open the Apple Music app on your iPad. Once you're in, tap on Library, then select Playlists. This is where all your existing playlists are stored, and it's also where you will create new ones. Now, tap New Playlist, and you'll see a screen where you can enter the name of your playlist. You also have the option to add a description and even set a custom cover image if you want to personalize it. Once the playlist is created, tap Add Music to start filling it with songs. You can search for specific songs, albums, or artists, or browse through your library to find tracks you want to add. When you find a song you want to include, tap the plus add button, and it will be added to your playlist instantly. You can repeat this process for as many songs as you like, creating a playlist that's exactly how you want it. When you're done adding songs, tap done, and your playlist will be saved in your library. You can always go back and edit the playlist, adding or removing songs whenever you want. If you have an Apple Music subscription, your playlist will sync across all your Apple devices, so you can access it on your iPhone, Mac, or even Apple Watch. That's how you create a playlist on Apple Music using an iPad. Hopefully this helped if you were looking to organize your favorite songs into custom playlists. If you found this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPad and Apple Music tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you later.